Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today video is little different because it's not talking like on that stuff. Yes, I'm gonna talk with you guys about some topic. Yesterday an incident happened with me on Facebook. Whoever is following me on Facebook, they know this very well. Now I want to clear that stuff that yes, I do promote my YouTube video because that we are right now a small YouTuber and we need promotion. It's not about the subscribers, it's about actually how much we reach to people. So right now our main motto is at least we reach to maximum, literally maximum people we can reach. Subscribers to second part aa jata hai. So that is the reason on my FB profile, on my messenger, I do send links that is on text on messenger. That is a casual thing, every marketing stuff we do. But right now, yesterday something happened. I just sent a link to a person randomly guy. I would link that person's profile in the description box and it was a different, मतलब ऐसे केस बहुत आए, मतलब people literally ask for that pics and that is very mainstream, literally very mainstream. I have ignored lot of people, I have blocked many people, but yesterday it was out. बोले ना सर पानी सर तक चला गया था. It was like it was something irritating. He was asking me for pic and he was offering me how much, Karan? $20,000 for my personal photos, in his words. And I know maybe it's a fake account. Of course it's a fake account, or maybe it won't. And he was like, yes, this happens, even Indian girls do. And he just gave me offer and I just said should I block you or should I post this and make you famous? And he was like, do whatever you want to do. And yes, I posted on my Facebook profile and many of you supported me by liking that post, and that meant a lot. Of course it would be like सब बोल रहे हो कि why would, मतलब मैं क्यों चैट की उस बंदे से, क्योंकि आई वॉन्टेड टू शो पीपल गाइज देर आर पीपल लाइक दिस गर्ल. मतलब ऐसे ही हम लोग ऐसे रिप्लाई नहीं करते. हर कोई बोलता है कि इतना एटीट्यूड है इसमें, रिप्लाई नहीं करती, और एल्स फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट क्यों एक्सेप्ट किया. एंड समटाइम इट हैपन्स कि अगर जैसे तुम लोग बोल रहे हो कि डोंट चैट, अभी आई सेंड लिंक्स एंड इफ़ आई डोंट रिप्लाई तो दे आर लाइक कि अरे कितना भाव करते, सिर्फ लिंक ही भेजती रहेगी क्या, कुछ तो बात कर, ये वो. सो दैट इज़ अ सीन दैट I mean, I don't know what to do. Should I promote? Should I not? Yeah, that was irritating stuff. So I would like to share with you guys this stuff. I wanted that it should reach to every person that... What, Karan?
Yeah, please guys report this person. I personally did that wrong back.
Yeah. So Karan is here. He want to speak some words.
One thing I wanna tell everyone that every guy is not the same. ऐसे कुछ निकल जाते हैं गलती से, तो ignore them and not actually ignore them. You should actually report them and tell people that this kind of things are happening so that
Because seriously,
they don't disturb any other. If someone really wanted money, then they could have uploaded their pics without knowing, because you never know कैसे we are like kind of educated, we know, we have experience, that's why we know this is a fake account. But there are some people that they don't know how does social media works, so maybe they could have uploaded and he could have trapped them. So this is just, we are awareing you all guys that such things happen and you shouldn't just ignore them,
yes,
but
actually,
you should
you
report
should take
them.
a stand for that guys. Girls मतलब इग्नोर कर देती है, अरे कितने आएंगे, बट कितना इग्नोर करोगे यार, कितना, मतलब इग्नोर करके you have to take stand for yourself. I know सब ऐसे कल एकदम शॉक हो गए थे कि what she did, but I had to do that because that was something I didn't wanted to do.
Yeah, so it's okay. She asked me before uploading it, so I said that yes, you should, because it was like over the limit.
And yeah, actually my FB, we have linked our FB accounts and all. तो जो गाली भी दी है उसने दी है, मैंने नहीं दी है. Because we have to promote, so from my profile he shares the link to the every possible messenger text and he handles the stuff. It's it's very literally relieving because he handles that stuff and I handle his. So क्या काम, because we have distributed our work. He does social media, I do editing. अभी तो he does editing well. Very
So whoever text her, I can see them all.
Oh God. Yeah, actually. Because see, it helps me. We do promotions साथ में, we do work साथ में. So that is a trust level. Yeah. And if you're wondering why my hair are looking so awesome, yes, I did spa. Ooh. And you'll
खुद की तारीफ खुद ही करो बेटा.
अरे यार spa किया है. I love this spa. Literally love it.
Or I'm looking better than you. And I've done nothing.
Yes. See how am I looking?
Look at this.
Fake dolly shale.
This is good.
It is not. Fake है. Should I show mine? Should I? Oh, yes, we have to start again the fitness stuff. Trust us. मतलब मैं जाती थी इसके वजह से, इस लड़के की वजह से मैं भी छोड़ दी.
We had to make videos like whole days totally, messed up with all this work. So we had no time actually, and that's why we couldn't go to the gym. But this girl is always blaming me. I don't know why. Maybe she doesn't want to take the blame on herself. That's the reason she's blaming me always.
इतना झूठ.
This is not a झूठ. ये झूठ नहीं है.
Everyone who knows Karan, they know that stuff.
Okay, thank you everyone. Please do subscribe to my channel. Welcome. Bye bye.